subscribers and obi anko Twene Jonas TV no koso so. Can me subscribers and obi anko Twene Jonas TV no koso so. I beg fire Efia Odo for me is showing her breast in public. Oh, absolutely nudity of daughter of Jacob. I see. Twene Jonas kwakuji just free coffee and yeah, no free coffee warm up na nature. Efia Odo. What do you know honam say? Okra me say Ghana man na omo magidi me dey obi atikobekwa for my own anka me dey on tikobekwa for me corner. Obetimi me match ye wona wontimi onkoton me. Me hwe scenario na wona wontimi fa me nkoma politician ni sika because wona ote face the country na see ye. I really admire you, you know, you use your platform, you know, to promote the civilization. That's how I'm gonna call it because Nipa wa Gyiimiifo and team futuro mu wa cheche abless mint no nim say o mixing concrete and sand plus cement can make their country look neat and clean. Now bininian chance kwa ho say ninuan antia obra wontena so free na nipa na Gyiimi no wa cheche wo futuro na Efia Odo was you know na me catch you say transfer free every now and konya ni sisi wo nam no abra transfer free. She was one of the people ya Ghana. Abesisi ska o TV so ni radio so. Dia me di o matem sa time no. O me boss say o manyini che na me small boy o da be na menyini. Menyini no o munyina abon kokra nti o mu no ye be ane mrewa ye be so mu internet no so. Efia Odo was campaigning say o man ni nyi. Yo, Monfa Chemwana, Mensa Komia Babina, Obiso Frefa Munti. You know, I'm too damn popular in the United States. Some of these interactions may automatically pop up. No, be so anime Kasani Adi Adenti. You know, with that being said, let's continue, man. Efia Odo was Namika Josefia Abia's glass of wine. She won my heart by doing the right thing. You know what I mean? And she said, my power say na say my appreciate you my body my count sem papa for I say you good now oko you no for the be chere Ghana for nyina say hwe me nkwa na me no for efe me nkwa na me no for sisi so a me nkwa na me da me catch say boys ni nyina so ye adwuma every 1 minute bia bola kan na boys na sisa bola no ye broni ya no nyansan ye adwuma me kisho say ni krom ye neat kama oba ni krom all the flowers abesisi abonten special environment afa bibini not ye the cement for mo nyina nyame hira broni you know for oh now Efia Odo ye hwe me nkwa na me no foso me nkwa na me no futimi eye pointing me gina ho nkwa na me no fo efe na me catch us we nyina special way of akonya tena so ona ma wa bere no obetima tena so na chele nyame hira broni kwa kuji echo se fire dem o nyame hira bibia ze otie no kwe I'm no special environment when you are going to so free nyame hira broni special environment glass in kwa I'm sure I'm from nanti environment so hwe from pa e feche bibi ni da eti Efia Odo o me po asem ti ama me ntimi ni watem nti but the oil ni Gyiimiisem next time nyesa Kwasia de ni bi so watimi akoyi onofo e de kire Ghana fo nyina so mo hwe ne de Kwasia de na ye because wo abeye ama Twene Jonas have given you know I've recognized you. You know what I mean? I don't recognize any Kwasia from most celebrities. I mean I don't know them. I don't recognize none of them because all of them do use their platform to campaign for Kwasia and this MPP from one. So I don't recognize them. But you were different. You were a unique identifier. You show say one to say fufunu. Wa be dance our TikTok Kwasia mpanyini. Pia polo majuma waje ye ade wajuma ye parliament. Waje pia polo majuma ye ɔte a wopɛ de nti osi o dabi maame ntum o ihya mo batum drop ade kauna to so kakra Kwasia bi ba da biam de etua mu da